Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Tristantoni. Well, on this occasion, I'll explain about the phrase level. And the first is a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of two or more words that is headed by a noun, like a person, a place, or things, that includes modifiers like the, a, of them, with her, and a noun phrase plays the role of a noun. In a noun phrase, the modifiers can come before or after the noun, but a noun phrase can also be headed by a pronoun. The example is the dog with fleas, the one with fleas, and the function of noun phrase is like any noun. A noun phrase can function as a subject, an object, or a complement within a sentence. And the next is verb phrase. A verb phrase is a syntactic unit consisting of an auxiliary verb preceding the main verb. It often contains a adverb, complements, objects, and modifiers as its dependents. There are two types of verb phrase. The first is finite verb phrase. If a sentence has just one verb phrase, it is a finite verb phrase. The head verb is finite and either comes in present or past form. The example is I go to college in the morning. And the next is non-finite verb phrase. In this type of verb phrase, the head verb is participle, gerund, or infinitive. The example is she is hearing someone crying for help. And the function of verb phrase is they serve as phrase heads, as predicates, modifiers, complements, and objects. Verb phrase also function as noun phrase modifiers, containing a word and phrase, and describing noun or noun phrase. And the next is adjective phrase. And an adjective phrase, also known as an adjectival phrase, refers to a group of words comprising of an adjective. An adjective phrase tells more information about a noun or a pronoun. And there are two types of adjective phrase. And first is attributive adjective. Is an adjective phrase that is used to describe a noun, its position before the noun being described to form a noun phrase. And the main characteristic of this adjective phrase is that it appears in a noun phrase. The example is a man proud of his families. And the next is predicative adjective. Contrary to attributive, predicative adjective is an adjective phrase which functions as a predicative. Its position is after the linking verb and doesn't function to describe the noun. The example is her hair is very beautiful. And when forming adjective phrase, an adjectives also can be combined with modifiers. This function of modifier is to form an adverb. It can be before or after the adjective. The form itself can be propositional or infinitive. And next is determiners. This function is to explain the adjective in number, demonstrative, or position. The example is that stupid kid. The one is determiner. And the next is intensifiers. The function of intensifier is to emphasize something. It can strengthen or decrease it. The example is very beautiful. And the last is prepositional phrase. And prepositional phrase are groups of words consisting prepositions. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that lacks either a verb or a subject, and that function as a unified part of speech. It's normally consists of a preposition and a noun, or a preposition and a pronoun. And there are two types of prepositional phrase. The first is adjective prepositional phrase. These types of prepositional phrase function as adjectives that explain nouns or phrase. Therefore, they are called adjective prepositional phrase. The example is, the boy with him is his son. With is the preposition, and with him is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase function as an adjective phrase modifying boy. And the next is adverbial prepositional phrase. This type of prepositional phrase functions as an adverb that explains the verb, adjective, or other adverb that is in a sentence. Therefore, this prepositional phrase is called adverbial prepositional phrase. The example is, when you get to the sign, take a left. To is the preposition, and to the sign is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase function as an adverb phrase modifying get. And that's all about phrase level. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.